Hey guys, my name's Kandace, and these are my traveling buddies, Megan.
Hi.
And Maddy, and Hope. And we're going to show you how we camped in our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. So come on, let's go. So as you can see right now, the van is completely in soccer mom van mode because we use the van about 70% of the time to tow kids around, the dogs around. We have a big St. Bernard Mastiff that fits nicely back here. And you're probably wondering, how in the world do you camp in there with 2 kids and a dog with it looking like this? And so we're going to show you actually how we prepare the van to go on our camping trips. So let's check it out. Alright, so first things first, we have to pull the seats down and make it so the only seat that is up is Megan's little seat over here, because that's all we need. Maddy rides up front with me, shotgun. So we are going to start by moving some stuff around, if Hope lets us. Fold this over. Thank you, Hope. And we're going to throw this out of the van for now. So one of the cool things I like about this van is that it's very easy to tear down and set up the van for camping. Exhibit A. We have to fold the seats down, so we just lift on this little thing here. 1, they're all numbered, so it makes it easy. 2, pull on this to unlock the legs. Number 3, and then number 4, pull the seat back. So next step is to put the sleeping cot in the van. And this is an Alps Mountaineering sleeping cot. I think I paid $50 for it at Sportsman's Warehouse. So I use it because I have bad hips and my lower back hurts a lot if I sleep on the ground or on the floor of the van. So it comes in handy because it gets me up off the floor and I'm able to use the sleeping pad with it as well. So let's go ahead and put it in the van. Alright, so you do have to tilt it a little bit first. And then we're going to push it in. And slide it all the way up to the front so we can have room back here for storage. Then I'm going to come around this way. Push it down there, and it's good to go. Alright, so even though the sleeping cot takes up width in the van, that's okay, because you can store things under it. And you can store things on top of it. So this is the sleeping pad that both of the kids sleep on. It is the Kelty Wonder Junior Pad. It's a self-inflating sleeping pad. We'll show you how to use that in a later video. And it is about 4 feet long, so just long enough for both of them. And we just store those right on top of the cot while we're driving. So here's another view of how it looks right now so far. Thanks, Hope, for being such a big help. And then, of course, the dogs can lay on that as we drive. They can also lay on their dog bed over there on the floor. But as you can see, even with majority of our gear in here, there is still a lot of space. All right, so the last step typically is putting in our camp supplies and food boxes. This just houses like our skillets and our camp stove and utensils, coffee mugs, things like that. And so we'll put that in first. Just slides in right there. And then we'll put our food box in next. Then take the seatbelt off of there, wrap it around the box like that. And then, alright, and then last but not least, we put our backpacks in, which normally just have however many changes of clothes we need, our toiletries, things like that. And then we are good to go. So now that everything is all packed in, nice and organized, nice and neat, we can close everything up, load everyone in, and head to our destination. All right, and as you can see, it only took us about maybe 30 minutes at most to pack the van up and get it ready to go on one of our mini camping trips. So be sure to check back in with us for our next video as we show you how we finish setting up the van once we are at our actual destination. So we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.